Hey guys, it's Kat. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I'm unboxing this month's GLOSSYBOX. Now, if you don't know what GLOSSYBOX is, it's a monthly beauty subscription box of 5 beauty items. Now, these can be makeup, hair care, skincare products, and it's just for £13.25. We can have deluxe sizes or actual full-size products in these boxes. GLOSSYBOX does more full-size products than Birchbox is the other one that I've tried that only does like deluxe sizes. So GLOSSYBOX is definitely worth the price. I know this month's box is inspired by GLOSSYBOX's birthday. This is their birthday month. Happy birthday, GLOSSYBOX. And wait until you see the box. It is beautiful. I love it. And here's the design of this month's box. Just look at that sparkle when it hits the light. Wow. This is definitely my type of box. And on the sides, it's got like drips going down it, and obviously GLOSSYBOX. So I think the design of this box is very stunning and I love it. I'm definitely going to be keeping this one. So inside we have more of a rosy pink shade, and then obviously like the pale pink on the sides. And then this is what we have inside. We have 2 little cards, which I'm going to take out. The smallest card is about GLOSSYBOX's advent calendar this year. And it says subscribers exclusive. Priority access to buy the 2019 advent calendar begins on Friday the 6th of September. Subscribers exclusive price is just £70. Purchase the advent calendar through your Glossy account and your subscriber discount will automatically be applied at checkout. So I think that's what the advent calendar is going to look like this year. I did do an unboxing of the advent calendar last year. I did a whole range of advent calendars. So this year I will be doing advent calendar unboxings again, and it looks like GLOSSYBOX will be one of them. I can't wait. So it says this year's advent calendar is bigger and better. Worth over £370, it's filled with 25 of our favourite makeup, skincare, hair care products from some of our most loved brands. So we have brands like Chloe, Dermalogica, Tarte. Tarte is in this box. I have no Tarte products because they're obviously in America, and then NYX is in this year's advent calendar as well. I can't wait for this to come out. I'm definitely going to be doing an unboxing video. So excited. Okay, so now let's look at the description card. So it's the birthday edition. Really, really pretty. Right, let's read about it. It's our birthday. Happy birthday, GLOSSYBOX. Get ready, glossies, because we're celebrating another year of glossiness the only way we know how, with an explosion of pink sparkle and plenty of glitter. This August, we're hosting a global birthday bash and you're all invited. As our honoured party guests, we're treating you to a special design glittery pink box filled with 2 dramatic and shimmering makeup products, a gorgeous rose gold beauty tool, indulgent body care and pampering skincare. We can't wait for you to unwrap all these treats and celebrate our birthday with us. Let's get this party started. So we do get a sneak peek of one of next month's products. Next month you'll be getting a taste of food-inspired beauty products. Our delicious beauty edit will be filled with scrumptious smelling treats, including a 100% natural Aura Verdict, which I'm pretty sure is a beauty brand. I'm not saying that correctly, I know I'm not. Caffeine-based body exfoliator. Formulated with black Assam tea and nourishing essential oils, it will buff away dull and dry cells, leaving you with soft, smooth and glowing skin. And that's what it looks like there. So that sounds interesting. Right, so now let's open the box and I'll give you the first sneak peek. Here it is, just get rid of the bow. And then you just pull the sticker. I do love these colours together. And there it is. Wow, look at all those holographic little paper wormy things. It's cool. You see all the products in there. It looks like we're jam-packed with loads of goodies this month. So I'm just going to pop it to the side and pick out the first product. So the first thing that caught my eye was this box. And this is by the brand FURR. It says rose gold lash curlers. Designed with a unique angle to fit various eye shapes to deliver perfect curl and lift along the entire curve of your lash line. The ergonomic handle allows you to position your fingers easily, and the soft silicone pad cushion protects lashes for a crimp-free curl. I'm just going to open it up. So here's the rose gold curlers. I don't actually think I've got any colours. I think I chucked them away, the ones that I had, because I always get them in the Body Shop advent calendars, and you always wish that they put something else instead of the curlers because it's just a waste. But those are the curlers. I do love the rose gold. So it just says rose gold lash curler. It isn't a party until your hair is loose and your lashes are long. That's why we've treated you to a gorgeous rose gold lash curler. Its unique curve fits all eye shapes and effortlessly lifts your lashes. Simply clamp the curler around your lashes near the root. Hold it down for 10 seconds and voila, longer and curlier looking lashes. So the curlers are full size and they are £15 from FURR Lashes. Okay, so the next product is probably one of my favourite skincare products ever, and they are under eye masks. I have so many and I love putting them under my eyes. It just helps and hydrates. So this is from the brand Beauty Pro, and it's eye therapy under eye mask with collagen and green tea. You get one pair of eye masks in this packet. Hydrogel patch formulated with anti-aging marine-based collagen combined with green tea, aloe vera and vitamin A and E. An intensive under eye treatment to nourish and minimize the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, puffiness, under eye shadow and dryness, while increasing elasticity and firmness for a youthful appearance. So you just pop these under your eyes for 20 minutes and then you're done. I don't think I've tried anything like this from Beauty Pro before. I think we've had some sort of thing from their brand, but I'm not sure. I don't think it's eye masks, maybe just a full mask, but I'm excited to try these out. So Beauty Pro Eye Therapy. Whether you want to smooth out fine lines before applying your party makeup or revive puffy eyes the next morning, this cooling mask awakens your eye. Rich in anti-inflammatory green tea extracts, hydrating aloe vera and nourishing marine-based collagen. It reduces the appearance of wrinkles and dark circles while also brightening tired and swollen eyes. Simply apply it to cleanse skin for 20 minutes. So this is actually a Deluxe Mini and it's worth £1.65. A full size of 10.5 grams is £4.95. So those are Deluxe Mini. So the next product we have is by the brand Imperial Leather, and it's Foamburst Ultimate Moisture. And it looks like it's the scent golden amber and coconut oil, and it's instantly smoother, softer skin. Whipped cream body wash. Now that sounds interesting. 3-day long-lasting moisturization. Treat yourself to a shower like no other with this luxurious whipped cream body wash. I can smell it just a little bit and it does smell nice. I'm not going to spray it because it is a whipped cream, so like mousse. So there's 75 millilitres of product in this bottle. I'm just going to read a little bit more about it. So Imperial Leather, Foamburst Ultimate Moisture, Golden Amber and Coconut Oil. All of you glossies deserve a pamper session on our birthday. Thanks to this newly launched foaming body wash, you can enjoy an indulgent bath or shower that revives your body and your mind. It blends softening skin conditioners with nourishing natural oils, including repairing amber oil and moisturizing coconut oil that hydrates your skin and makes it feel smooth. And this is a Deluxe Mini as well, and it's worth £2. A full size is £5 and that's 700 millilitres. It just has a little tip here that says it works as a shaving foam too, so not bad. So next product we have is by the brand Bang Beauty. We've had this brand in the box before and I do like their brand, and it just says it's an eyeliner. I don't know if you can actually read that, the packaging is holographic, but it is an eyeliner, so we'll open it up. Felt tip eyeliner, that's what it says on the top. So there's the Bang Beauty felt tip eyeliner. I love the packaging, it's just silver. And then there's the felt tip. Let me just do a little swatch so you can see. So the felt tip itself is quite hard, it's not a soft felt tip. And then you do get a thin line from it. But I do quite like when the felt tips are quite hard, as sometimes they're soft, they can make the line bigger because you're pressing down too much. So that's quite a nice one. Let me read a little bit more about it. Okay, so Bang Beauty Felt Tip Liner. Throughout our birthday month, we want you to let loose and have a good time without worrying about touching up your makeup. Luckily, this liquid eyeliner boosts a waterproof and quick drying formula that will stay put all night long. Better yet, its thin, precise and marker-like tip glides on effortlessly without skipping, smudging or pulling. A bold and dramatic party look awaits. So this is a full size for £15.75. That's not a bad price. I know Bang Beauty has a lot of different items and they're low price as well. So that is the 4th item. So now on to the last product of the box, and we have a product by Huda Beauty. Now I love Huda Beauty. We've had a couple of her products in glossy boxes before, a couple of the lipsticks, and I think that's all we've had, lipsticks and lip liners. And it looks like we have a lip strobe. Now I don't think I have one of these. I'm pretty sure I don't. And this is in the shade Angelic. It's a really nice pinky metallic shade. Looks stunning. Let me do a swatch. Oh yeah, that colour is insane. It's got like a really nice peachy reflect to it. That is stunning. Stunning, stunning. So it just says Huda Beauty Lip Strobe. We're kicking off our birthday celebrations with a glossy favourite, Huda Lip Strobe. Boosting pink shimmers and gold reflex, you can apply this universal gloss straight onto your lips for a full coverage and iridescent finish, or wear it over your favourite lipstick for added shine. You'll either receive Angelic Rose, which I think is the full name, Ritzy Champagne, Bougie Coral or Fearless, a gorgeous purple shade. These are obviously full sizes for £17. So let me just show you the colours. So I obviously got that one there. There's like a goldy shade, purple, and then more of like a corally red shade. I am actually quite happy that I got the pink one. The other shades look like ones that I wouldn't actually normally wear, so I'm happy I got the pink shade instead of the others. Yes, very happy. That's it for this month's box. I am loving every single thing in this box. Definitely going to use the under eye treatment masks. The eyeliner I'm going to try. I love eyeliner, as you can probably tell. I always wear it. The Huda Beauty is going to go with all my other Huda Beauty stuff, and I'm going to wear that as well. The eyelash colour, I'm not really a girl who curls their lashes, but I am going to keep it because I have none, and if I want to go out and I need my lashes to be curled, at least I have a rose gold one. And then obviously the Imperial Leather foaming body wash. You can never have too many of them, and I bet it smells amazing as well. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like, subscribe and hit that notification bell, ding ding. Also come and follow me on my Instagram. Instagram is somewhere down here, and it's also linked in the description box for you guys. Go and check that out. So until next time, thanks for watching. Bye guys.